Thank you everyone for coming. Today we stand here not just to celebrate the recovery of a bronze statue, but to celebrate something far greater, the spirit of the people in Harbour Grace. When the statue of Amelia Earhart disappeared, this community didn't stand by and hope someone else would solve it. People shared posts, searched roadsides, shorelines, made phone calls, and even checked cameras. We looked out for one another. Young and old alike came together with one goal: to bring home a piece of our town's history and pride. That says everything about Harbour Grace. This town has always been built on resilience, community, and heart. We are a place to protect our history because we understand its value, not only to ourselves, but to our future generations. Amelia Earhart's connection to Harbour Grace is known around the world, and that statue represents courage, determination, and the spirit of adventure. Seeing this community rally together to recover it showed those same qualities are alive and well right here today. And I know there's one man who would be especially proud of what happened here today, my grandfather Roger Pike. And funny enough, about 19 years ago today, I was in his arms when the Amelia Earhart statue was first revealed in Harbour Grace. Thank you all for coming, and thank you all for your support in bringing it together.